how to update Safari. Hello everyone, welcome back into my channel. Today in this video I'll guide you on how you can update Safari browser on your Apple device. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to update Safari on your Apple device, simply head over to settings. Once under settings, you want to simply head into general. Once you're on the general option, you can see the about option. If you tap on about, you'll be able to see the latest your iOS version. If you don't have the latest iOS version and the latest other version has already been released, you can simply head into software update and then check for update if the update is available. Now, any updates will be included with your iOS update or macOS update. So you want to simply update software in order to update your Safari. It is the part of OS update. Safari updates are typically bundled with macOS updates, so updating your operating system will also update the Safari. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.